Now let us look at the mistakes and corrections of forearm plank, Makara Adhomukhaswanasana. The first correction here is the hands. If you can see, she's totally slanting her elbows forward. No, it's wrong, and they're also pointing out. So first bring them close and bring them under the shoulders. This is the right posture. One more important thing is you should just make sure your elbows and your shoulders are in one line. Palms firmly placing on the mat. The next one are your legs. She's placing both the legs too wide, so slowly bring them close and toes tucked in. The next mistake here is most people tend to lift their butt up and think it's right. No, it's wrong. Slowly push your butt down. When you push your butt down, you need to observe that your legs, butt, spine and head is in one line. The other way of correction is they totally drop their lower back down. This is also wrong. Slowly engage your core, push your lower back up and make sure your entire body is in one line. The last one here is people tend to look forward, which will bring pain in their eyes and also neck. Don't forcefully look forward, slowly look down and focus down on your mat. So this is the correct posture of forearm plank.